Okay, so not too far away.
Yeah.
Good. Are you familiar with Saturday Audio Exchange?
Familiar with Paradigm.
What's that?
He's familiar with Paradigm.
Oh,
He
that's
has
good.
them.
Saturday Audio Exchange is one of our great dealers here in Chicago, and one of the reasons why I bring them up is that we're sharing a room with them. They have 4 rooms, and so if you don't have a raffle card, they're giving away some product at the end of today and tomorrow. They have 4 rooms if you go through the presentations. And
Speaking of which.
yes, speaking of which, and I'll punch your card. So anyway, my name is Joey Perfito. I'm one of the regional sales managers for Paradigm and Anthem. And I have my coworker here.
Kyle, everybody, I'm the Director of Training for Paradigm and Anthem. Nice to meet you guys. Welcome into the room.
Thank you.
And today we are going to be showing off the Founder 120Hs and the Anthem STR preamp and amp. A little bit about Paradigm. We've been in business for 40 years. We actually have the same birth year as Saturday Audio Exchange, 40 years in the business now. And we are a manufacturer of speakers and electronics. So not just assembly, but we actually build from raw materials. We're the largest vertical manufacturer in Canada. So that's pretty impressive. We, a little bit of side note of where we got the name Founders from. The original owner, Scott Bagby, repurchased the company in 2019. He was the engineer and designer, and when he bought the company back, he became the head engineer and designer again. And so this was his first project back at Paradigm, and so we called it the Founder Series.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, it's a great story. So today you're going to see some new technology from Paradigm, some new materials that we're using, and as we move into some new products down the road, you're going to see some of that technology and materials into some of the other speaker series and other categories in the Paradigm lineup. So talk a little bit about the speakers real quick. We're using a waveguide. It's called an oblate spherical waveguide. That's going to help reduce reflections in the room and less interaction with the tweeter. Bass drivers, we have 3 bass drivers in each cabinet, and those are 8-inch, and powering them are internal Class D amplifiers, 1,000 watts on each speaker. All right, so 1,000-watt amplifier powering 3 bass drivers, and within that is Anthem room correction. So if you're not familiar with Anthem room correction, it's one of the best room correction softwares out there today that we're able to help solve for the room. On the and these retail for $8,500. There's 3 floor standing models, a bookshelf, which is over here by Kyle, and then 2 center channels. So we range from $2,200 a pair of bookshelves all the way up to $8,500. On the Anthem side, we have an Anthem STR amplifier down at the bottom, 400 watts a channel. Now we don't really need that much power because we're only driving the tweeter in the mid-range on this, but we do it because it's a great amplifier and we love the headroom, and we're going to show that off today. The STR preamp is a great preamplifier, great DACs built in. This has Anthem room correction, so we were able to room correct from 15 up to 5,000 hertz. Now, if you use the professional mode of Anthem room correction, we can go up to 20,000 hertz. And then I'm streaming Tidal right now via USB. What we're going to show you today and let you listen to are 6 cuts of our favorite songs of today, and we'll change them up tomorrow, so if you come back tomorrow it'll be different. We're going to start small, just 2 singers and a guitar player, and then we're going to move up, more musical instruments, more bass, and then finally we'll show you the dynamic range of what these speakers can really do. The first cut is Hallelujah. Everybody probably knows this song, but this was from Andrea Bocelli and his daughter Valerie. Okay, so you're going to get the full ambience of this, of the venue, of where